We got a Chevy C-10. I think it's a 71. Yeah, 71. New Jersey. Got a New Jersey plate on the front. Looks like the 350 engine in. Edelbrock manifolds, painted orange too. Vacuum advance on the distributor. Looks like that's HEI, I think, but no computer or nothing. That's what you want, no computer. No computer. And then you got your power brakes with your power steering. And you got dual master cylinder on the brakes. And your proportioning valve is up there, which is nice. That's good. I don't like them down at the bottom where they get a little rusty and you can't freaking do nothing with them. It's a nice interior, man. This thing's been cleaned out really good, man. God. The blue is popping. And you can see that the door panels have been redone. Like really nice door panels and stuff. These trucks never even look. This is better than it looked from the factory, to tell you the truth. And again, the vent windows. Oh, I love those vent windows. Nice instrument package. Speedometer goes up to, this thing probably do more than 100 miles an hour with that engine in it. Got the tachometer on there, full gauge package. And of course you got your nice cover. So this is not a firewood truck. You don't want to be taking firewood with this thing unless it fits under there. But you can get some firewood anyway. Enough to last a week. So she's a beauty.